The cable spool, wooden home decor, and do it by yourself furniture ideas are all about repurposing those large wooden spools that cables are found around. These spools can be transformed into various pieces of furniture and the decorative items for your home. For example, you can turn a cable spool into a rustic coffee table by adding some legs and a coat of paint and the stain. Alternatively, you should repurpose into a cozy outdoor seating area by adding some sort of cushions and the canopy. Other ideas include turning them into a shelves, planter, and even a glass coffee table. With a little creativity and some basic tools, the possibilities are endless for creating unique and a stylish piece for your home using cable spool. Certainly, the cable spools, those large wooden wheels typically used for winding a cable, offer a plethora of opportunities for creative do-it-by-yourself project enhance your home decor. Here are some collaboration and elaboration ideas on how you can repurpose these spools. Transforming a cable spool into a coffee table is a popular choice. You can sand down and rough edges and add a fresh coat of paint and stain to match your decor, or attach legs to elevate to the desired height. The reuse and the charming and the functional centerpiece for your living room. With a large cable spool, you can create a cozy outdoor sitting area by fixing the cushions, seating pads, or the top, and the possibilities are endless. And adding a canopies overhead, you can fashion a charming spot for relaxation in your garden and the patio. Utilize the circular shape of the cable spool to craft a unique type of shelving unit. By mounting the spool horizontally on a wall, you can create a shelf within the circular frame. This not only provides a functional storage but also add an interesting focal point to your room. Turn a cable spool into a charming planter for your indoor and the outdoor garden. Simply fill the center with the soil and plant your favorite flower and herbs. You can leave it in a natural state for a rustic look or paint it to match your garden design. You can also create a beautiful mini bar, and you can also create a children's furniture. Cable spool can also be repurposed into fun and the functional furniture for children. Use them as a table for playroom and outdoor spaces, or even as a colorful stool by painting them in a vibrant hues. Create a multiple functional pieces by converting a cable spool into storage ottoman, adding a upper clip C to the tier top and hanging up to the top to open up for a storage place. Inside, it's a stylish way to decorate your living area. These are just a few ideas to inspire you to get your cable spool creativity. Whether you are a seasoned do-it-by-yourself enthusiast or starting out, repurposing these wooden stool can be add a charming and character to your home decor while also being environmental friendly, and it will reduce your carbon footprints. So roll up your shelves and your imagination run wild. With a bit of creativity and some basic tools, the possibilities for cable spool to it by yourself are truly limitless and fantastic. Whether you are aiming to rustic, industrial, or the electrical aesthetic, this versatile wooden reel can be transformed into a stunning piece of furniture and decor that add a character and charm to any space. So the next time you